How's it going, everybody? Check out my 1970 RESTOMOD CHEVELLE. This one has a fully built 5.3 brand new motor, all aluminum block, all built for boost, twin turbo. Can handle about 23 pounds of boost on E85 and about 14 to 15 on 91. It's at about 7 pounds of boost right now, about 600 horsepower. Tubular A arms, wilwood disc brakes. This car's gorgeous. Full TMI interior. I guess not quite full, but it's very clean in here. Tilt wheel, tremec 600 TKO 5-speed. Retro sound, 4 mids and highs. This thing is very fun to drive. Once I get a little bit more miles on it, probably going to turn up the boost. 12-volt positive in. Big sway bars, wilwood brakes on the back, ferrada 20-inch wheels. Nice trunk kit. Shut great, good body gaps. Hood lines up well. Couple of chips around the edge. That side of the hood is up just a tiny bit. I'll do another walk around with everything shut down. Vicking adjustable shocks. All right, everybody, give me a call at 916-856-7931. Thanks.